hard to live a great lifestyle and to enjoy with family and friends. With long hours of work on the laptop, we tend to get a weird back pain. And if you work in an office, the chances of backache is a sure shot. But is just the simple act of sitting killing us?
While you're carrying heavy grocery back home, you tend to get a heavy back pain. But don't you worry, because I've come here with a quick fix to help you guys get rid of the back pain at home with some simple tips. So do keep watching. So let's get straight into it.
Well, so far today's video is dedicated to all the amazing people out there who are really working hard, sitting hours in front of the computer. This video will show you how to get rid of the back pain. So do follow these simple tips. Tip number 1. Keep your head up. Focus on aligning your head and neck right above your shoulder. Avoid straining forward. Tip number 2. Breathe from your belly. Put aside 10 minutes from your work time and inhale. Think about drawing your navel towards your spine. That engages the core muscles and supports the upper body. Tip number 3. Stretch your shoulders. Roll them back and down and square them over your hips. Imagine that you are balancing a plate on your head and you won't want it to fall off. Tip number 4. When our phone rings between work, we normally tend to place the phone between our shoulder and the ear, which is simply the worst for your neck. Instead, use the headphones or speakerphones. This one is important. Take breaks. Getting up at least once an hour to go to the bathroom or just do some shoulder rolls reduces the pressure on your spinal disc and boosts the circulation. Also, you will be less stressed. Also, this will prevent the radiation of the phone getting into your head.
So guys, wherever you are, in whichever part of the world you are, don't forget to try these simple tips and these simple exercises that can work miracles for your back pain. So do these simple tips and do write to me, because I love to hear from you guys.
I hope these tips work wonders for your back and neck. And also, don't forget to be beautiful.